Okay, so for this one we're going to be looking at proportion. Alright, so proportion, as you saw in the scale video, is talking about when we change the width and the length of each letter form. So sometimes proportion can make the design look a bit goofy, but sometimes it can also add a really great sense of playfulness and fun to the design as the letters are kind of squished into different shapes and sizes. So let's pick one letter to work with. I might pick the W. Okay. So what we want to do is just have a bit of fun with changing the proportion of each letter. So what we can do, you want to keep the original one, maybe keep it off to the side, and you just keep copying and pasting that one. So let's squish it. And then what we want to do is, again, create that sense of hierarchy. So maybe if you want your end focal point to be your largest letter, and we can think about rotating those letters. So really creating a sense of flow throughout the poster. You could even draw something out with your letters, whether that be abstract or realistic. So you can start just copying and pasting the ones you've already created. So you can think about turning them on angles as well. The W is really dynamic on that angle there. Then we see we start to create some abstract imagery only using our typefaces. That is really dynamic, and all we're using is proportion. Yeah, so really messing with the width and the length of those W's. So again there we've used crop. So cropping is a massive one. That way it utilizes and locks the negative space in places, and which again makes and creates hierarchy. So if we have a look at this poster finished, we can see it moves from the smaller side here up through the larger side and then to the final point in the center here. So we've used proportion to create that sense of hierarchy.